Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Afam Bungozika. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State, precisely, and you're all welcome back to my channel. Before we delve into what we have for today, if today is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. I promise you a truckload of fun and a very interesting content. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos anytime, each time I upload. You are just amazing. Thank you. Okay guys, let's have fun together. Come with me. At the end of this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it, so whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. And a thumbs up. So in today's video, we are still on the business of Iguaro. That is the Igbo traditional calendar. Yes. In the previous video, we looked at the days of the week as it is obtainable in the Igbo calendar. But today we are going to move further into the number of months we have in a year. Like I said in my previous video, we have 13 months in a year according to our Igbo traditional calendar. 13 months and not 12 months like it's obtained in the Gregorian calendar. And today we are going to look into them, what they represent, and the Gregorian equivalent from 1 to the 13th month. Very good. Talk about months. Months translates Onwa in Igbo. So we have Onwa in Igbo. Then the year translates Afo or Aro in Igbo language. So we have Onwa for months, then for months. Then we have Afo or Aro for the year. So today we are going to start from the first. Now we have the first month, Onwa Mbu. The equivalent in the Gregorian calendar has to do with February, between February and March. One interesting thing about this is this. According to the Gregorian calendar, we have the year starts with January and ends with December. But when it comes to the Igbo traditional calendar, the year starts with February. It starts with February. So we have February, from February to March. That's what we call the first month. So Onwa month, Mbu first. Onwa Mbu. We have 13 months in a year. Number 1, Onwa Mbu. In the first month, which we call Onwa Mbu, we have our annual counting festival. Abia Onwa Mbu a, anyị nwe emume a na-akpọ Emume Igu or Emume Igu. That's the first month. Emume Igu or Emume Igu. In the second month, which is the Onwa Ibu, that's the second month, Onwa Ibu, we dedicate this month to farming and cleaning and farming. The Gregorian equivalent of this Onwa Ibu is between March and April. No one ke Ibu a ka ide ekpochu ubi sucha abibia we konezi olu nana. The third month is the Onwa Ife Eke. It's between the months of April and May. Everyone is expected to observe a fast in order to obtain favor from the God of the earth. It's a month of fasting actually. Madine kweshili ivu onu n'ọnwa ka we nata iru ọma n'aka Chikelane. Ọnwa nke na-esote nke a bụ ọnwa eji akọ ji. That leads us to the fourth month. The fourth month is what we call Onwa Ino, 4 Onwa months. So Onwa Ino, that's what we call the fourth month. This is between the months of May and June. This is the month for yam planting in Igbo land. Onwa anyị kpọrọ Onwa Ino ka ndị be anyị ji akọnye mkpụrụ ji na ana. That leads us to the 5th month. The 5th month is what we call Onwa Igu. Onwa Igu. It's between the months of June and July. In this month, all our adult masquerades showcase themselves. They all come out. It is like an outing, masquerade outing. You see all kinds of masquerade during this month. N'ọnwa ka mmọnwụ dị iche iche n'ala Igbo ji apụta. Abịa n'ọnwa ka mmọnwụ niile, nnukwu mmọnwụ niile anyị nwe ji apụta. The 6th month is what we call Onwa Igu. It's between the months of July and August. July and August. In this month, we prepare for the upcoming New Yam Festival in Igbo land. N'ọnwa nke isii a anyị kpọọ Onwa Igu. Anyị ji akwado maka emume ili ji ọhụụ nke na-abịa n'iru. Maka anyị na-agakwa n'iru. The number 7th, the 7th month is what we call Onwa Alom. Onwa Alom. Onwa Alom. It's a yam harvesting month. The month of August to early September. N'ọnwa Alom a ka anyị ji ewefute ji anyị kọọ n'ubi. Now that leads us to the 8th month. 8th month is the famous Onwa Asato. That's the 8th month. Asato is 8 in Igbo language. The 8th month is what we call Onwa Ilomo. Onwa Ilomo. This Onwa Ilomo is late September. Onwa Ilomo ka anyị nwere Onwa Asato. Now to the 9th month. 9th month. The 9th month is what we call Onwa Ana, and that is in October. October is the Onwa Ana. This month is for Thanksgiving, thanking the God of the earth. N'ọnwa iteghete a na-akpọ Onwa Ana ka eji enye chi kele ana otito. Finally, we've come to the 10th month. That is the Onwa Iri, Onwa Okike, the 10th month, and Onwa Jana, the 11th month, which starts from early November to late November. The Okike ceremony is being performed. Yes, the Okike ceremony is being performed. This Okike ceremony ends in the 12th month, which is the month of Onwa Ede Ajana. Abịa n'ọnwa iri, Onwa Okike, na ọnwa iri na owu, Onwa Ajana. Anyị nwere mmemme a na-akpọ Okike. Mmemme a na-abịa na njedebe n'ọnwa iri na abụọ akpọrọ Onwa Ede Ajana. Let's move on to the 13th month. The 13th month is the month we call Onwa Uzu Alushi. In this month, we thank God Almighty for seeing us through the entire year. That's it. That's the 13th month. Abịa n'ọnwa nke iri na ito a, nke a kpọọ Onwa Uzu Alushi, eji enye Chukwu Okike ekene maka odudu odula anyị bido n'ọnwa nke mbụ wee luo n'ọnwa iri na ito a. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.